So this is Lost Cause Meadery, Billy's Connoisseur, and it's with. I'll have Roger read that to us. But
62% carrot blossom mead age and Cabernet Sauvignon casks for 16 months. Eastern buckwheat blossom mead aged in old ale casks for 14 months. 14% alcohol. You're the Aztecs. Carrot blossom and Eastern buckwheat blossom honey.
Can smell the buckwheat honey is correct. I get a little Cabernet Sauvignon. Beautiful color. Sticky meniscus. Slow runnings, very slow runnings. Brilliantly clear. Honey's right in the forefront of the nose. Great job. Light sulfite, not much. Which, Billy, I got to say, you're doing a good job with the sulfites. I know you have to use them, but they're not over the top, which is very pleasurable for me. A lot of complexity in this one, too.
The buckwheat is that way. I think the buckwheat overpowers the carrot.
It does overpower the carrot. It overpowers it also in the flavor. This could be drier. It's surprising because it's 14%?
No.
But I got a big body on this for 14%, so it must have been an original high OG on this.
With the intensity of the buckwheat honey, I think you need it this sweet. If it was drier, it would really make it undrinkable, I think.
Possibly. I think this is well done. I got the carrot, honey. Now I got the carrot.
The carrot comes through in the aftertaste.
Yeah, that's where I got it. So does the alcohol. The alcohol comes on the side, the front of the tongue, on the finish, big time. Not fusel, good alcohol. Nice finish.
This is like my rabbit brush honey on steroids.
It's not as, yeah. Okay, I was thinking of the cat claw for a second, yeah.
No.
Well done, Billy. Another well done mead. I'm going to put the camera to Roger for a second, so I want you to hear his. And he's a honey guy, so let's just have Roger talk about the buckwheat honeys for a second, and then I'm going to make a comment. Talk to the camera, Roger.
I've gotten the California buckwheat honey. It's a much lighter flavored and aromaed honey. I've also gotten the Washington buckwheat honey, and it's almost black and is very, very earthy, herbal. Twice what this is. The Eastern buckwheat is the one in the middle. There's one of the buckwheats, I forget which one it is. It isn't actually a buckwheat flower. It's a different kind of plant.
You said that's from the east, though, right?
I think that's the Eastern buckwheat.
Yeah. Interesting. Now I'm getting a little cherry note on this in the flavor and the finish as well. I don't know where that's coming from. Not the tart sour cherry, but like a red, almost a maraschino kind of cherry.
I wonder if that's coming from the wine barrel.
Maybe that is coming from the Sauvignon. Yeah, maybe it is. Cabernet Sauvignon barrel. Got a little wood in the nose as well.
I got that on the end.
Yeah,
It's all over the back of my tongue.
Yeah. And maybe that's where the tannins I'm getting from too is coming from the barrel. Great job, Billy. Great job.
Out of the three, I like this one best.
You like this the best out of the three?
Yeah.
What about you?
Yeah, I mean, I like the rabbit brush mead that I made, and that's kind of an acquired taste. The buckwheat is definitely an acquired taste.
I like this a lot. For me, this is a solid 38 points. But for me, although I would never in a million years pick it, but that epic quest blew me away. The complexity is rare and so off the top, well done. All three of these for commercial meads, Billy, I'll tell you, for any meads.
The flavor just lingers and lingers and lingers.
Yeah.
I think he made a good choice on putting this in the red wine.
Speak to the
barrel.
camera, Jeff.
I said this is a good choice putting it in a red wine barrel. No.
Normally, I would never go with a Cabernet barrel or any barrel, but I'm going to tell you, with this honey and this complexity, it worked.
Yep.
I'm not a red wine barrel guy. Billy, good going.